G'day guys, just wanted to show you guys this quick little idea that I came up with for my camp table. Tables are usually quite painful to set up. This one's so nice and quick, and the best part is it's nice and solid and you can put literally anything on it. Boiling hot kettles, boiling hot camp ovens, anything you like. And this could work on a forward drive, on a van that you're living out of, anything like that. So let me show you guys where it stores. When I was making the kitchen cupboards, I was pretty limited as far as how tall I could make the cupboard, because obviously it had to be able to slide into the canopy. But with the dead space up there, I just thought, hey, let's get a custom made table that fits exactly that area and it'll be perfect. So to stop it from flying out on rough tracks, I just got this couple of bits of elastic cord up there and it just slides down just like this. For the legs of the table, they're actually just two adjustable tent poles that you can pick up at any camping shop anywhere. All I've done there is just got a piece of flat bar to weld the two pieces together. And at the top here, there's a piece of 8mm steel rod. And I've just drilled two holes in the top of the two tent poles, slid the rod through there and then welded that together. And then as far as actually mounting the leg system to the table, it's just a piece of angle here, 25 by 25 angle, and that's also had two little tabs welded to the angle and two holes so that this rod can actually slide in there. So it's actually its own little hinge system. And then to attach this to the tabletop, I've just got 4 pop rivets at the top there, and that all holds it together. This end of the table here attaches to the side of the car, and to do that I've just got 2 quick release hinges here. I just found these on Amazon, and they're awesome. They do the job perfectly. The tabletop itself is made out of 2mm 3/16 stainless steel. The reason for that is because I was actually getting a water tank made up to sit under the back of the car. So I had this massive offcut, so I just asked them to make this table up for me. So I just gave them the dimensions, asked them to put a 40mm lip on it, so they bent it up, welded up the corners, and it was all good to go. Setting up the table is super simple. All you need to do is just bring the table down to the hinges here, flick the little pins over, put it out like that, and then you just adjust the legs so that the table's roughly level. And then you go get your spirit level and make sure it's level. Nah, just kidding. And just like that, you got a table all good to go. Now, the only downside with this table that I must say is the weight of it. You could do an aluminium one. It would be a lot lighter. But yeah, it's just what I had available to me, so that's what I got it made out of. Just to save some space on the table, I got another piece of that 8mm round bar and bent it up just like that. And drilled a couple of holes in the table. And you just slip it in there just like that, and then you can drop in the washing bowl. It just keeps the table free and you can just chuck all the used dishes in there as you're going. The things that I really love about it is the fact that it's quite sturdy because it's attached to the car, which is pretty solid. Another thing, really fast to set up. And the thing that I love the most about it is how you can literally put anything on it. As far as heat goes, it doesn't matter what it is, you can put it on there. With a plastic table, you're gonna melt the table. So that's something I really, really love about it. So just a neat little idea, guys. A few people asked me about the table and wanted to see it in a video, so there it is. Where can you get one? Well, if you go to any good metal workshop, they should be able to make it up for you. Let them know your dimensions, what you want, and they could probably even make up all the legs and everything for you. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and don't forget to get out there and seek adventure.